Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to screen mirror MacBook to Roku. Let's go. Open settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Device Connect. Enable. Screen mirroring. Always allow. Open Network. About. Check your network. Your MacBook and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Apple AirPlay settings. Turn on. Turn on screen mirroring on your MacBook. Choose your Roku TV. That's it. Now you know how to screen mirror MacBook to Roku. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.